When the snack bag opens versus when they realize it was just a bag of kale. The betrayal is real.
I had one pack of hamburger buns left, and the whole thing is ripped apart. All of them? You ate all the hamburger buns. Theo.
Theo, that is a bad boy choice.
What about you? Do you have anything to do with it? Did you do this?
I don't think he did it. Are you a good boy? Are you a bad boy? It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Beans! Clean them feet.
Lexi, what are you doing? What are you doing?
You done spraying?
Dog is doing more for a snack than I did for my entire degree. Polite begging or master manipulator? You decide.
What can you do? What are you holding there? Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my god, right in front of his face.
You're torturing them. Go.
Stop it. Stop. You're in danger. Stop. Two people have been sent to kill you. Julia, this is what they look like. I only know their first names. Stop. Holly, and she goes by the name of Beatty.
Are you out of your mind?
Stop.
I'm calling the police.
No, please.
White Dog heard drop the beat and took it way too literally. It is definitely the main character of this drum circle.
Phoebe, hold the damn light still. Thank you. Good job.
When the Wi-Fi goes out and you become the satellite dish.
He's trying to catch the clams. He's definitely discovered the clams and has yet to catch one, but they keep squirting him right in the face. Right, Murph?
Don't worry, he has his paw MIT and only barks at tailgatters. Most focused driver on the road.
Does anybody else's dog take food from the bowl to another? I didn't mean to tell your business. My bad. I didn't think you were paying attention to me. My fault. Yeah, Digit. We should leave him alone and let him eat. Let's walk away.
Who did this? Sydney. Sydney, look at me. Come here. Come here, Sydney. Ooh, Oliver, I know you didn't do that, son. That's why you're hanging out. Sydney, come here. Sydney, what in the world is this? Little miss? Do we not give you enough food and treats? You have to tear up our napkins too? Sydney, I don't even know what to do with you right now. What am I supposed to do? Huh? Putting you in a timeout doesn't work.
What's happening? Go.
Morning local beehive has been compromised by 5 tiny suspects currently napping on the job. go in for the first date kiss but realize you are definitely not the same species. He is a little confused but supportive. Awkward moment when the food delivery is late, but you still refuse to move until it is served directly to your paws. You ordered a poodle, but the blizzard delivered a very confused grizzly bear. Please send help and a hairdryer.
Let's go! I hate dogs.
A sweater like this, it's important you keep it all the way up. Keep invaders out. I mean, it's kind of cold outside, but, you know, you need to make sure that nothing will climb in the collar on those. It's a really nice, high quality quarter zip sweater. It's kind of tight around the collar. She's using her back legs for traction. Look at them digging. In the front ones are digging too. Oh my gosh, she might make it. Oh dear, no, she might. Oh. She defeated another one. Kind of stretched it out too, Bonnie. Hey, Cheese. Cheese. Hey, where are you? That's what it's like. Nope, never mind.
Tetherball? More like tetherbrawl. These two have clearly mastered the art of vertical confusion and horizontal chaos. Someone tell them how to keep score. You have zero social battery, but the statue still wants to talk. Submitting for the nap.
Hello, buddy. Oh, God. Hello.
Your dog gets new shoes and suddenly forgets how to be a dog, so you have to join the circus just to keep up.
Love your yoga position.
What'd you get?
Trying to find where I left my last brain cell while the 3 a.m. motivation hits.
Boo 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 boo. You come on. Hi, Tony. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi. A boo 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 boo. A boo 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 boo. A boo 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 boo. Hi, everybody.
The massage therapist has zero boundaries and you're just trying to take a nap in peace. Tough day at the office for Rex. Yoga instructor says become the shrimp, but you accidentally become a gray striped bagel instead. 1010 for the form. Try to film a cute moment, but your cat decides your face is the perfect place for a rear view mirror.
Công chúa kiêu kỳ nhất của nhà. Trời ơi. Đấy, đây là công chúa bao nha. Ôi dồi, bông có đôi mắt đẹp hú hồn luôn. Đấy. Mặc dù là hơi kiêu kỳ tí thôi chứ. Nhìn này cũng được.
Orange kitten forgot it was supposed to be a predator and chose to be a chiropractor.
Em cho chị ít. Tôi nếm móng này này. À quên, nếm móng này. Đây. Cảm ơn nhá. Thôi, em nữa. Sạch rồi. Cảm ơn.
Human starts talking about their problems and you have to pretend you are a sympathetic listener, but you are actually a cat. Orange cat is currently reconsidering its entire life and the strange nugget in front of it.